Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth connection problem on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, open up your settings. We want to go over into connections, and here in connections, we want to go to Bluetooth. First things first, what we're going to do is we're going to go and turn off the Bluetooth, turn it back on, and here we should have available devices. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair my device, so I'll show you how it looks like. We're going to click pair, and as you guys can see in the connections in Bluetooth, we have paired devices right here, so you don't have to go and look for it. As you guys can see, you also see the name. We're going to tap here and we're going to click on the gear icon on your device. We're going to click on Unpair, not disconnect, but Unpair. Once we click here, we click on the red Unpair button, and what are we going to do is we're going to pair them again. So you need to figure out a way how you pair your headphones. I am on the AirPods 3 Pros, so I just double tap the front case twice, but every single headphone varies. So you want to make sure that you find your way. Now I'm going to double tap the case and they should pop up. Now once they pop up, we're going to click on them. We will hear the Samsung again once it connects. And as you guys can see, sometimes you could see the couldn't connect. So what are we going to do that way? We're just going to scan again and we're going to wait for them to pop up. Of course, we're going to tap again, and now we're going to click pair. As you guys can see, it's all good now. And what are we going to do next is simply make sure that you go to the general management, go to the reset options, and in the reset tab on the reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, click on reset settings, and now it'll be done. And as a last resort, make sure to check for software updates. So go to software update, click check for updates, and make sure that you're on the latest version. It's very important because older versions tend to have a lot more glitches than the new ones. That's why we want to update our software regularly. We want to make sure that we are on the latest version. And as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.